Be honest. Have you ever felt like people don't take you seriously? They interrupt you. They ignore your opinions. They treat you like you're just there. And the worst part? You try to be nice. You try to be helpful. You try to fit in, but still no respect. Here's the brutal truth. It's not because you're unlucky. It's not because people are evil. It's because of a few habits you repeat every single day. And today, we're fixing them. Stay with me. This might sting a little, but it will change you. Morning, you break promises to yourself. Let me ask you something. How many alarms do you snooze? How many times do you say, I'll get serious from tomorrow, but tomorrow never comes? Here's what you don't realize. Every time you break a promise to yourself, your brain lowers your self-image. Psychology calls this self-perception theory. You believe about yourself what your actions prove. If you don't respect your own words, why should anyone else? Science behind it. When you complete small tasks early in the day, your brain releases dopamine. That dopamine builds confidence momentum. When you delay, you teach your brain, I am not reliable, and people can feel that energy. Fix this today. Wake up at the first alarm. No negotiation. Make your bed immediately. Finish one small task before touching your phone. Simple actions. Massive identity shift. Respect starts internally, and we're just getting started. Afternoon, you talk too much, do too little. This one hurts. You say you're working on yourself. You say you're starting gym. You say you're studying hard, but people don't see results. And humans don't respect words. They respect proof. There's a reason quiet. Focus students get more respect. They don't announce moves. They make moves. Psychology insight. According to behavioral psychology, when you talk about goals publicly, your brain gets a small reward as if you already achieved it. So you feel satisfied and you stop working hard. That's why people who brag often achieve less. Fix this today. Stop announcing your plans. Work silently for 30 days. Let results speak. The less you talk, the more powerful your presence becomes. But wait, there's something deeper. Evening, you seek approval too much. Be real. How many times do you over-explain yourself? How many times do you say sorry, even when it's not your fault? When you constantly try to please everyone, you send one message. My value depends on your opinion. And people subconsciously rank you lower. It's harsh, but it's true. Social psychology rule. People respect those who respect themselves. Confidence signals high status. Approval-seeking signals insecurity. Even your body language changes. Shoulders drop. Voice gets softer. Eye contact breaks. And others respond accordingly. High voltage fixes today. Stop over-apologizing. Maintain eye contact when speaking. Speak slower. Pause. Let silence work for you. Silence is power. The person who is comfortable being silent controls a room. Your mindset. You avoid hard things. Here's the biggest brutal truth. You avoid discomfort. You avoid hard conversations. You avoid difficult tasks. You avoid discipline. And avoidance kills respect. First from yourself, then from others. Strong people do hard things first. Weak habits create weak energy. And energy is visible. Brain science. When you face difficult tasks voluntarily, your prefrontal cortex strengthens. That's the part responsible for willpower and decision-making. You literally become mentally stronger. Fix this today. Every day, do one thing you don't feel like doing. Cold shower, extra study hour, difficult phone call. Train your brain to move toward discomfort. That's where respect is built. Listen. You're not useless. You're not behind in life. You're just undisciplined in small ways. And small habits destroy big reputations. But the good news? You can rebuild your identity in 30 days. Quietly, powerfully, confidently. The new rule, simple formula. Respect formula. Self-discipline. Silent work. Less approval seeking. Daily discomfort equals unshakable presence. No magic. No fake motivation. Just habits. Conclusion. Next time you feel ignored, don't get angry. Upgrade yourself. Because when you respect your time, your words, your body language, your promises, the world adjusts. People don't respect potential. They respect standards. Raise yours. If this hit you hard, good. That means you're ready to level up. Like this video, if you felt called out. Subscribe if you're serious about becoming mentally strong. And share this with a friend who needs a brutal truth. Let's build silent power together. See you in the next one.